Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something from the UK. This is Mr. Lee's Noodles Dragon Fire Vegetables. And we got water on a boil ready to go. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let it all hang out. To some degree. Gonna let it all mostly hang out. There we go. Got the cup a little, moist. Yeah, this doesn't really work all that well. Last episode, I remember it fell off and it made me jump. So, I'm pretty sure in 3 minutes this water's still going to be boiling hot, so I think maybe a lid might be a little overkill at this point. So yeah, what's happening, everybody? It's Monday, January 20th, 2020. Yeah, we can call that our lid. So, it's my sister's birthday. Happy birthday to my sister. She was going to come down today, and I was going to make her some fancy noodles, but she wasn't up for it, so we'll postpone for a couple days. That's cool. It's her birthday, whatever she wants. And, yeah, let's see. What did we do this weekend? Went over, visited some family, visited my wife's grandfather. And he's up here for a little bit. That was nice to see him. He's a cool dude. World War II vet. He's been through a lot recently, and yeah, good to see him. Hopefully we can see him again before he goes. He's going pretty quick. And I took the entire weekend off from doing apartment laps, going outside and walking. I think this was the least amount of walking I've done well over a year. Yeah. And this morning I got up, got a couple things done, and then I did apartment laps. And man, got just shy of 25,000 done with like no stops. That's pretty good. It felt nice too. I don't feel all funky, and maybe that's the thing. Maybe I actually have to take a break every once in a while. I don't know. It's hard. I don't like to take a break. Especially with the Fitbit thing, having the competitive stuff. I never used to be really competitive, like, to the way I am now, but now I am, and it's kind of, I don't know, might be more detrimentally competitive. There we go. Let's see what we got here. I'm hoping I put the right one in here. This has been the problem when I've been making these is, no, that should be right, right? This is either Dragonfire vegetables or Tai Chi chicken, and I'm hoping that it's the vegetables as it should be. Is that a vegetable? That ain't chicken. Okay. And it's supposed to be a hot and sour kind of broth. Check this out. That is a nice looking vegetable broth. Definitely like a hot and sour. Wow. And it actually has some heat to it. Try the noodle. I'm really impressed with these. They really have surprised me how much I really enjoy these. They're very basic, but they've got, it's the freeze-dried ingredients that really make a huge difference. Noodles are coming out well. Again, they're rice noodles. Make sure to give this an extra good stir at the bottom. Like all cup noodles, this one has a little bit of a learning curve. Noodle cups are kind of that way, I've noticed. Like, oh, you do it this way, it's better. You do it this way, okay. So what I'm gonna do, wow, I like totally inhaled that noodle. Okay, I'm gonna dump it in this pot. That is everything. Wow, seeing a lot of stuff going on. I'm going with the green bowl. I wasn't planning on doing the green bowl. Can you see the green bowl? You can. Well, that's just swell. There you go. Just dump the noodles on in. Ah, there's a lot going on in this. This isn't just like a standard little cup. Like a foo-foo cup. There's a lot in here. It says hot and sour rice noodles with mushroom, bamboo shoots, ginger, and green beans. And there it is. So let's get up close and personal and let Rotato take us on a magical, fantastic voyage. Today's been kind of weird because it's like I got a package of noodles coming from Malaysia, and guess what? They said it was left at the door. It was not left at the door. So I call them up, deal with that, and then they say, oh, and then I call the office here, apartment office, and they say, oh, yeah, you do have one. Dirty, dirty drivers. Here's something smooth for y'all on a Monday. Alright, very cool. Thanks to the folks over at Mr. Lee's Noodles over in the UK. So far, I've really been impressed with everything, and we are halfway through the sextet of offerings from them. They're going to be offered in the U.S. pretty soon. Sounds like come May. They've got a factory they're setting up over here, and they're going to be producing it in the U.S. too. So that's pretty rad. All right, this is Manon's the Ramenrator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.